How to get $300 DoorDash promo code. So let's see how you will be able to get the coupon code. Head over to any of the web browser or the Safari. In the source bar, search for DoorDash promo code 2024. Different sites will be available to you. You can head over to any one of it. Simply tap on the site. In this page, different coupon codes and offers will be available to you. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. If you search more, you will also find $300 coupon code. Once you find the coupon code that you wanted, click on it. Well, the promo code will be visible to you. Simply copy the code. Once you have copied, go back and head over to your application DoorDash. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Now whenever you try to buy something, and when you try to pay the amount, the option of promo code will be available. All you want to do is enter the promo code that you have just copied and then click on apply. Once you have applied the promo code, you will receive certain amount of discount and the offers related with the promo code. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get $300 DoorDash promo code. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.